Hi guys, and welcome to a new video, and welcome to the channel if you're new here. This week we're going to be having a look at this Toyota Aygo key. My friends asked me to have a look at it because she tried replacing the battery and it's still not working. Now why wouldn't it be working? Well, let's take it apart and find out. So we're going to first off start by removing any key rings because we need to split the key down here. And then you want to get a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver like this, and that will go in this slot here in the corner. So make sure it's a nice snug fit, and then all you've got to do is twist it like that and it will pop the lid off. So just carefully pry it up. It says this key fob needs a CR 2016 battery. CR is a type of battery, 20 means it's 20 mil across, and then 16 means it's 1.6 millimeters thick. I've got a CR 2032, 20 mil wide, 3.2 millimeters thick, so it's too thick for this key fob. So we're going to have to order a 1.6 mil battery specifically for this one. But it does seem to have a little bit of corrosion or something going on around here. After speaking to my friend, it turns out that the key used to have a metal spring inside of it, or a little star piece as she described it, which broke off and it was super glued back in by somebody. Super glue will not work, it's not conductive, and that's why this key isn't working. Now I'm not sure if this is a common problem for this type of key, but I thought I'd make the video anyway just in case it is. The super glue is currently covering up these three little metal tabs, so we need to start by removing the glue. And to do that I use a little flathead screwdriver just to prise it off of the circuit board. Fortunately it wasn't too difficult to get the super glue off of the board, so once I'd removed that I just continued to scrape off any remaining glue from the little metal tabs, just so it gives us something to solder onto. Because you can't solder on top of super glue, it's not conductive and it's not going to work. So make sure you remove the glue if you have attempted to glue it first. Hopefully you haven't, and you can skip that step. We're going to be carrying out a proper lasting repair in this video by soldering that spring piece back on. So if you're in the market for getting yourself a soldering iron, I'd highly recommend this one. I've had it for a good few years now and it's paid for itself time and time again with the amount of jobs I've done with it. It comes with everything you're going to need to start soldering straight away, so if you're new to soldering or you've soldered before, it's an ideal kit. And I'll put a link to this in the description below. You don't pay any more for the product, it just means I get a small kickback off of any sales. And any commission I do make goes straight back into making new videos for you guys. So it's a win-win, and hopefully you like the content and you find it useful. With that being said, let's get on with it and fix this key. This star piece, we need to solder it on there, like that. So I'm going to get some solder, and I'm just going to solder 3 little dobs on here. There's one. Now if you're completely new to soldering, we start by tinning the end of the nib, and that just means applying a surface layer of solder to the end of your soldering iron, and this helps with heat transfer. And you're going to heat the metal component that you're going to be soldering, so that's the base piece on the circuit board, and then you just feed in a little bit of solder. Before we go any further, let's just throw out a quick disclaimer. I don't accept any responsibility for damage or injury caused by following my videos. They are based on my own experience and meant as a guide only. So if you don't feel confident doing this yourself, make sure you seek the help of a professional. And now I'm just going to get the star piece, and then I'm going to get one corner. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to melt it. And then I'm going to get this corner, press it down, and melt the other leg. There we go, that's that one. And then one more leg to do. And that's that one. And then get yourself a good quality CR 2016 battery. Link in the description below if you need to pick one up. Just slide it in the key like that, and then you can put the cover back on. and let's go and test it out, see if that's fixed it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found value in this content. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel if you're not already subscribed. And if you hit that alarm bell and set notifications to all, you'll be notified when I post new videos. And hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys, bye for now.